ازيكم يا شباب، رجعت لكم بفيديو جديد. النهارده هنلعب لعبه ذا وولف امونج اس. متنساش تحط اللايك والشير والاشتراك وتفعل الجرس، ويلا نبدا. هنحاول يعني لو الفيديو النهارده جاب تفاعل حلو هنعمل سلسله على تختيم لعبه ذا وولف امونج اس. يلا نبدا. طبعا في الكاتسين مش هنتكلم، هنشوف مثلا ايه لو هنخلي يبقى في ترجمة عربي وهنرجع لكم. ماشي، وظبطنا الترجمة، يلا نبدأ. يبقى ده أول واحد. مش هنتكلم في الكاتسين. متنساش تحط اللايك، عايزين نوصل الحلقة دي 10 لايك. بيقولوا هنا ان الشخصية بتاعنا اسمها شريف.
Record for the date, hottest ever in June, 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
مش دي الشخصية بتاعنا؟
Mr. Toad? Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. No need to kick up a fuss.
Exists. ماشي.
I've heard enough of your excuses, Toad. This is unacceptable. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that. You can't send me up to live with those animals. You know what I mean? Go see a witch. Get a glamour. Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
الله، مش مشكلتي.
It's not my problem. You're the one risking your entire family getting shipped off. It's completely irresponsible, Toad. Bigby, please. That's a blow, mate. All this will be taken care of as soon as the witches are available to cast the spell. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again. Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there, do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place.
الصوت فوق مثلا.
Oh, thanks for that, Bigby. You're a real gentleman. Oh, this is the last straw, Bigby. He has to go.
الله،
You're the landlord, Toad. This is something you should be doing. Oh, yeah, that'd be a fair fight. You're the sheriff, Bigby, and the man's clearly disturbing the peace. Or whatever a Monday cop would call it. Wait, you're not worried about his acts, are you? I know you two have history, but... I'm not worried. Right, of course.
Fuck you!
I didn't know anyone else was up there. Furry pricked up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside.
ماشي دلوقتي مشكلة ما بينهم يعني، وقال له في صوت فطلع، هو زعل منه وقال له خش جوه في الأوضة.
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me?
هنشوف اللي على الأوضة هناك ده.
Look at me!
Stop, okay? You're drunk. Let's go.
تبريد تقريبا. شوف الباب.
Take a look.
خبط.
God damn you! Know why
Whoa, hey, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid? I'll fucking kill you!
All right, what's going on?
اللي بيحصل هنا.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
آخر تعذير.
Woody, this is your last warning. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time. Had enough?
At least it's a fucking challenge.
Back off, asshole.
That whore's gonna watch me kill you.
اديله في وشه الصح. ازرق معانا احنا. يا نهار ابيض.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground.
Shut up.
Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit. What are you doing
تعمل
here?
ايه هنا؟
These lips are sealed.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girlie.
Knock it off. Are you all right?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
Why was he hitting you?
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Hey, what did I say about that word?
Come on!
Shit. Hey, Toad. My car? Yeah. Give me a second. Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Toad, you need to get off the street. You don't have your glamour. Apologies for smashing your car, Toad. I'm gutted for you, mate. It's a real shame. But that's not you, is it? Got to play the hard man role. Some things are more important than your car. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
I know you're fucking in there. Come on out, you fucking dog. I'll put you out of your misery. You fucking mongrel. You ignorant fuck. Come on out, Wolf.
بس كده، شكرا. ده لسه ما ماتش. يلا يا عم موت بقى.
Thanks.
Don't mention it. I'm just getting what he owes me. You all right back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
I'll kill you, you fucking bitch.
Let me
اوكي
help.
ما ماتش خالص.
Guy's having a bad day.
That makes two of us.
خلاك كمل.
I guess it's a good thing fables are hard to kill.
Suppose it is.
Just come on.
That's a nasty habit.
You're joking, right? Good, you're joking.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry. Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess. Shit.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
Are you sure?
He's had enough. For tonight, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if he has an axe to grind, though. That wasn't intentional. Sorry.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
I really wish I could help.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really. You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where I am?
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
I clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I see it. Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. I'll see you around, Wolf.
لو كانت حاجة تانية مكناش هنعرضها، كانت في الوش. ماشي. وبس كده يا شباب، نكون وصلنا لنهاية الفيديو بتاع النهاردة. متنسوش تحطوا اللايك والشير والاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، ومع السلامة.